Number 1. Reed Diffuser. Natural fragrance, alcohol-free. Alcohol volatile liquid tastes irritating, evaporates quickly, and the fragrance is not lasting. Our Reed Diffuser are composed of natural plant essential oils and organic solution, with a mild, lasting and stable fragrance. Benefit for your health. Every person desires to have a lovely and beautiful house. Our unique designs add charm and beauty to any home decor design. The classic clear glass diffuser bottle goes well with any decoration. Empty glass bottles can be recycled for DIY. Suitable for bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room, study, kitchen, and so on. Number 2. Animal Island Ayla Sit and Play Plus Read Aloud Stories. The Ayla Sit and Play Plus includes Ayla Sit and Play with the 400-plus page Read Aloud Stories book, bonus item, containing the complete library of all 60 storybooks included in Ayla Sit and Play virtual preschool learning system. Animal Island Learning Adventure, Ayla, original series for toddlers, 12-plus months, high-quality preschool content developed by educators and innovators for early learning when it matters the most. It's hands-free, worry-free, ad-free, and subscription-free with free updates. Ayla for Parents mobile app lets parents manage the 3 learning modes with curated playlists, broadcast for exposure, learning session for learning and lullaby for sleepy babies, check in on their toddler, phone-based monitor, send photos and videos, and monitor the screen time. Number 3. Bath Bombs Gift. 12 uniquely handcrafted bath bombs. Functional and relaxing. Great Mother's Day gifts. Truly made in California, USA, freshly with premium USA natural ingredients, fizzes with colors, will not stain your tub. Therapeutic and moisturizing bath bombs, formulated for normal/dry skin. Developed and created by us, a bath bomb company with passion. Bath bomb individually wrapped. Perfect gift ideas for party favors and wedding. This bath bomb gift sets is on many's wish list. Perfect for Father's Day gifts, birthday gift, gifts for her, spa/bath gifts, for the special one, perfect gifts for mom, wife, girlfriend, or women you love. Number 4. 3-in-1 Charging Stand. How cases your device for sturdy, hands-free interaction like FaceTime or Skype, compatible with phone with different slim cases. Innovative 3 pebbles design allows the phone to be placed horizontally without scratching the edge of the phone or blocking the contents on the screen, especially when using a full-screen phone. Compatible with almost all phone. Compatible with original phone charging cable and new Amazon Basics cable, 3 feet, with the same size of the original charging connector. Cannot guarantee 100% applicable for all Amazon Basics cables. If your cable doesn't fit the slot well, please use original one. Number 5. Neck and back massager. Easy and safe to use. Built-in infrared advanced soothing heat function, the massager will improve your blood circulation, and it is settled within 15 minutes. Overheating auto shut-off protection. Can be turned off manually. Great gift choice for who you loved. Perfect for home, office, car, and travel use. It has a AC adapter and a car adapter. All are all listed, 1-year warranty and lifetime support from Nectac. Just get this massager to your friends and families. Number 6. VR Headset. Premium VR set present for Father's Day, Halloween, Easter, Christmas, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. Virtual reality VR glasses for kids which offers excellent depth and perception, creating a truly mesmerizing and immersive VR experience. Get the VR content ready and simply put the smartphone into the VR goggles headset. Enjoy the adventure you've always dreamed of. Compared to market 3D VR headset, Shin Econ VR headset decreased in weight due to plastic component swaps and improvements in manufacturing. The virtual reality headset for kids only weighs 9 ounces. It significantly reduced the pressure with the help of head strap design, making it tight but fairly comfortable fit. The removable face pad of VR headset is made of ultra-soft washable breathing fabric, helping you stay comfortable during use. Number 7. Bar Tools Set. 10-piece all-inclusive bartender set of top-shelf cocktail tools. Will give you the power to whip up impressive cocktails for your guests. Whether you're an amateur bartender or a professional cocktail mixing guru, whether you're setting up a bar at home or at work, our bar set is a brilliant way to hit the ground running. Eco-friendly bamboo stand, patented, carefully designed to keep your barware tools organized and accessible at all times. No more clutter in your kitchen drawers and cabinets. Show off your gorgeous cocktail kit with the unique bamboo storage rack. You will definitely win your guests' attention. Number 8. Fire Pit. Say goodbye to the troubles and dangers of carrying propane. This fire pit bowl is easier to control and safer than traditional bonfires, and Fire Pit's outdoor is lightweight enough that you can carry it around easily. Durable steel frame of the portable fire pit has a black heat-resistant coating. With weather-resistant, large load-bearing capacity, long-lasting durability, and rust-proof features. This patio fire pit comes with a spark screen and a fire poker. Fire pit cover avoids sparks, embers, and debris from flying out, while a wood-handled poker lets you safely move wood or charcoal. Number 9. Eco Glow. All new Eco Kids Edition pairs perfectly with the Eco Glow multicolor smart lamp. Kids can bring color into their Alexa experience, and parents can use it to create fun daily routines. Kids can use their very own Echo Dot to ask Alexa questions, set alarms, and get help with their homework. With Echo Dot Kids Edition, parents can set daily time limits, filter explicit songs, and review activity in the Amazon Parent Dashboard. Number 10. Kids Musical Instruments. These kids musical instruments is very colorful. Expose your mini musician to different tones, volume, and rhythm, which is attractive to kids. 22 PCS musical instruments for kids to get children moving, grooving, and feeling the beat. Perfect musical toys for toddlers 1 to 3. Come with a unique special designed carrying bag for easy cleanup and storage. Children will love it. Fit for both boys and girls. Great Christmas, birthday gift for preschool kids, children. Perfect preschool toys, baby toys 9 to 12 months, musical instruments for toddlers 1 to 3. Various music instruments for kids provide a wide range of beautiful sounds. Using different instruments, kids can hear different sounds. This will be very helpful to cultivate kids' sensitivity to music and sounds, improve creativity, hand and eye coordination, and develop kids' interests. Perfect musical instruments for toddlers 1 to 3. Toddler musical instruments.